Hello, welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at the Manage Items page. We're going to bring this to life so that we can easily see what's on the database and we can easily update items and whatnot and create new items, and we're just going to turn it into a real page. Okay, now I noticed before I came on that with this Bootstrap thing that we downloaded, they've got a nice tables page here. I never noticed this before, but I think this looks really cool. Look at these colours and the buttons and everything. It's fantastic-ola. So I wonder if that does anything. Apparently not, but it's still very cool. So I'm going to actually take this as a matter of fact because I do think it's very cool. So let's view the page source, and I could see that I had the word members there. So I'm going to copy from here all the way down to, well, let me just see, something like, whoops, sorry, something like that. Okay, so we'll take that lot there and we'll go into our manage.php file, and I'm going to get rid of this table that I made because it's really not that good, and I'm going to paste in that one. So this page now looks like this, which is pretty cool. Now we just need to do a few little tricks to get it up to scratch. I'm going to change members to items inventory. I'm going to change this user icon to, let me just see, a tag icon, right? This little tag, TAG. I took a guess there, but it worked out quite well. Now this records per page thing, I'm not sure if I want that, so, or the search thing. So let me just see. Okay, let me just see where we got this search. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, hold on. Don't panic. Per page. Let me see, where's it getting this from? I don't know. Well, folks, we have a mystery. And the mystery is, where is it grabbing this stuff from? I have no clue. Let's just see. Span 6 data tables wrapper. Jeez. Data tables, records per page. Okay. Let me do a site-wide search for records per page. Ah, right, okay, so they've got some custom JS stuff going on here. Right, let's just see. Records per page. Ah, right, okay, that's interesting. So they've got some stuff happening here with the data table, right? I've actually never seen anything like that before, or at least never noticed anything like that. Anyway, I've taken it out and all is well. Let me just check something here. Inspect. I'm going to do console. Right, okay, I can live with that. No red warnings or anything, everything seems to be cool. Right, good. So this is going to be our items table. Let's bring it to life, shall we? Now, we'll have to change the fields here, so let's do that, I think. Here we go. And in fact, if we go to store items and we go to manage, let's actually get a bunch of items in here. So we'll say data query equals this get, and we'll order by item title. Okay, so now in the manage page, we're just going to say into PHP for each query loading up result as row, and then we jump out of PHP and we do a row, and then we jump back into PHP, and that is how we roll. Okay, so this is now going to be an item title. Let's just refresh. Is that working? Is anything happening there? Yep, that's working. I can see it says item title all the way down here. Right, good. So let's do something. Let's get the field sorted. So we'll say item title, and then we'll say something like was price, and then price. Actually, let's just say price. That'll do. And what else have we got on item title? Let me just see. Store items, item title was price. We could do item description, I suppose. Nah, I'll keep in the was price, you know. And I think I'll do something with this status because that's kind of cool, you know. I actually think that's kind of cool. We can do something. I like these little tags here, so we'll do something with that for sure, okay? So let's just chuck the stuff in here from the database. Here we go. Actually, I'll use short tags, right? And that's going to be row, item, title. Okay, refresh. That's good. So we've got that, and then we've got a couple of other rows to do. Is that called, is it price or item price? I think it's item price. Okay, that's cool. And then we've got was price. Okay, status. I'm just going to keep status as it is because we can build that in later on, I think. And then we have these things here. So this is where the action really kicks off. I'm going to say, let's just have a look. So we'll have it doing, let's see. I'm going to take out the trash thing. Yep, sorry, did that get rid of it? I don't think it did. Sorry about that. Here it is. I'm going to take out the trash thing, and you'll see why in a minute. And then we're going to say for each query blah 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 blah, and let's have let me just see item, right, okay. In here, I'm just going to say item, right, okay, so let's say edit item URL. Okay, we'll make a variable up here called edit item URL. So we'll say edit item URL equals base URL, store items, edit, and then row ID. Okay, so if we click on this, I'm sorry, it's not edit, create, that's where the action is, create. So here we go again. If we click on cool gold watch, there we go, cool gold watch. Now, I think that's pretty cool actually. I'm quite happy with that for the moment. So let's take out the rest of this. We don't need it. Man, there's a lot of stuff here. Gee, there certainly is a lot of stuff. So take all of that out and bring this up. Save, have a quick look. Okay, and I'll delete everything where ID is less than 10 just to tidy this up. So delete from store items where ID is less than 10. It's just to tidy the thing up, you know, because it's all over the place. Okay, so that's not too bad. Let me just check the thing. Yep, we could do with some item URLs for sure, but that's okay, we know how to do that, right? Just going to say submit here and submit here, you probably won't have this problem, you know. It's just me. Right, okay, so if we do that and then have a little look, right, everything looks kind of cool. The iPhone needs a URL, so I'll just do submit, and there we go. Everything is looking fantasticola. Now, if you're wondering what this status thing is here, actually, I wasn't planning on doing this, but when I noticed this table here, I thought, man, those tags look kind of cool. So what I think I'm going to do, and I literally just thought of it here, I'm going to build a thing in where they can make an item active or inactive. And let's have it so that if it's active, it gets a green background. And if it's inactive, well, there you go. We'll give it a grey background like this. Now, what's that going to do? Well, it means that if they discontinue an item for a while, maybe if something's out of stock or something like that, then they don't need to delete the item. They're going to just be able to go in and quickly change the status, okay? That's the vibe. I think that's going to be really cool, and I think I'm going to do that in the next video. Okay, I'll see you then. Bye.